this video, we're going to be managing cycle count fields on the item record. I'll navigate to my item record in NetSuite and then to the purchasing and inventory subtab, and we'll scroll down to the locations sublist. Sometimes, depending on the setup that we have, we can see a list of locations and editable fields in this view. Other times, if we have enabled what are called item location configuration records, we need to select edit to add those values. So what I'm looking at right now are important cycle count fields for cycle counting in NetSuite. The way you can access this view if you have this set up is by looking at the inventory count fields. There are a couple fields that are very important for cycle counting. One of the optional fields is inventory classification, so we can set ABC classifications for each item, which we can use to determine cycle counting, but that is optional. We need to set up an inventory count interval in days. This is the number of days between cycle counts. And then we need to, for the first time we're cycle counting, set up a next inventory count date. Every cycle count after that, NetSuite will calculate based on the last inventory count date and the number of days between cycle counts. It will calculate the next inventory count date for us. But the first time, we need to tell NetSuite when we want to cycle count this item. So all these fields in combination will be used to create cycle count plans, which we can use to drive cycle counting in NetSuite.